Hello, outdoor enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the features of the 22-inch portable outdoor fire pit, a must-have for your camping, backyard, or garden adventures. This upgraded fire pit boasts a detachable design, reducing its package size to a compact 13 by 3.6 by 3.6 inches, making it incredibly portable without compromising stability. With a quick assembly process that requires no special tools, you can have it set up in under 60 seconds by simply connecting the stainless steel tube to the support frame. Constructed from durable stainless steel and anti-heating materials, this fire pit can hold enough wood for fires of all sizes, with a maximum load capacity of 26 pounds. The 0.96 mm heat-resistant mesh ensures that ash and debris stay contained, making it reusable and easy to clean. Whether you're camping, enjoying a picnic on the beach, or having a barbecue in your garden, this portable fire pit is your best choice for a cozy outdoor wood-burning experience. So pack it up in its convenient carrying bag and elevate your outdoor life with warmth and ambiance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.